Ready to go to the tea farm? Let's go! Alright, we started in Nuwara and we're headed all the way to the Bluefield Tea Factory. It's actually only about an hour distance, but we're headed from kind of a more city into the tea plantation. Trying to figure out where we're going and how to get to this tea farm. This isn't it. Alright, we're here, we made it! Alright, I'm just kidding. We're not actually at the Bluefield Tea Factory yet. So the ride so far has actually been a little better than expected. So far, when I've been in Sri Lanka, we've seen like cows in the roads, buses driving on the wrong side of the street, so it's been a pretty smooth ride. Let's go make some tea. The cocos. Oh. We finally found the coconuts. Thank you.
Thank you.
We got our cocos.
Cheers.
One more time. We'll try that again.
Cheers.
All right, we are now headed into the factory. We're gonna get a tour with our lovely guide up there.
200 acres of tea plantation with 150 tea pluckers. And each plucker normally plucks 20 kilos of green tea leaves per day from morning 8 until 4 o'clock in the evening. The plucking will be done by only hands and there are no use of scissors and no machines will be used. And there are 3 types of teas that produced in Sri Lanka. They are black tea, green tea and white tea. And they only produce black tea in this factory. Now let me explain how tea is made.
Okay.
Okay, let's start. The process here is remove the moisture content from the leaves by 40%. After that, we collect the leaves from here and transfer to the feeding point.
Okay.
The leaves which are transferred from the withering process is directly falling into the roller machine which is situated in the ground floor.
Yeah, dryer.
The most important machine when producing tea.
Really?
It dries out all the moisture content from the leaves without leaving any amount. It's a 100% drying process. The heat inside this machine is 91 degrees of Celsius and it lasts for 21 minutes.
Ah.
So it was nearly 100 years old.
Really?
Still
Wow.
Amazing.
known it as fire tea. And you can see 2 shades in here, the black and brown. The black one is the leaf and the brownish one is the stem.
Okay.
We use the black leaf as tea and we use the stem as fertilizer to our garden. It's like
okay.
compost.
Yeah.
So the process is not done yet. We have to separate the leaf and stem.
Okay.
That process happens here.
Ah.
Here is the fiber extraction method. It captures the light particle. So, its magnetic poles have electrostatic power. It can attract the light particle. Here, when the machine operates, the stem got attached to these rollers and comes out from here, and it's the fertilizer.
Got it.
Yeah. And the leaf will be underneath the machine and collected in that basket. That's the tea.
Is it better to have bigger leaves or smaller leaves? What's better to
Then the leaf got it has a light tip.
lighter
So
leaves?
yeah, when the leaf gets small, it has a strong. So DOP is the English breakfast. These are the tea grades. These seeds are the black tea types. So this is the strongest tea that we have. Can use with only milk. So this can be used with and without milk. This is the English breakfast tea, normally without milk.
Okay.
And these three are the strongest teas that we have. And these three are the leafy teas. It has a light taste. And the green teas, and here are the white teas, golden and silver. And white tea is the most healthiest tea that we have than green tea. And it's scientifically proved, and someone says it can be prevented from cancers, blood pressures, diabetes, and helps to maintain body shape. So this is the most healthiest tea that we have. The botanical name of the tree is Camellia sinensis for black teas and green teas. And between the green teas and black teas, there's no fermentation in green tea. It has a steam process. So in white teas, it dry under the sunlight. It's a handmade tea. There's no machine used in making white tea. So on, let's have a cup of tea in there.
Oh yeah.
Sounds wonderful. Let's go have some tea. Alright, so we had to get a second cup of tea because this place is so good. So this time we tried the strongest black tea they made. They insisted we have milk in it, but I'm allergic to dairy and can't have milk, so we're trying it straight. And why don't you try it and tell us how it is?
Let's take a look. So this is the BOPF Dust. It's supposed to be the highest caffeinated tea they make. No, it's good. You can definitely tell it's a little stronger than regular English black tea, but it doesn't knock my socks off.
Our money's flying. And me being the health nut, I got the white tea with absolutely no caffeine, but it's supposed to have the most health benefits again. So yeah, here we are. And cheers. I can't find the thing.
Cheers!
So something really interesting is we came here today and we read some blog posts and it said the tea is kind of expensive. You can get cheaper tea in town. Okay, we totally screwed
didn't
up.
listen.
No, the tea
She got
was
us
so good. She got us so good, but oh my gosh, the flavored black tea, it's all natural. Here, I'll show you. Got all these delicious teas. And we were super excited to try it. We do use a lot of like ashwagandha, lion's mane, and different things we put in our teas. So we're gonna elevate it up with some flavored black tea. But even more than that, I'm super excited. Here, grab that. Is we got my favorite tea. It's gonna be like our nighttime tea. It's a white tea. It's the silver one, and it has no caffeine in it, but a ton of health benefits. So I'll be having that every day. All right, so we happened to stumble upon the back of the tea factory. We were literally about to get on the scooter and we were like, wait, what's that? We saw people coming around the back. So we decided to walk back here, and we are basically where all the tea leaves are. And there's so many people picking the leaves, and it's just really beautiful back here. So if you do come to this place, you have to walk to the back. Don't miss out on that. And let's show you around. Come on. So if you can see, all of the workers are right there, and they are all waiting for us to come and take a picture with them. So I think they are done working for the day. And all right, let's see how this goes. Ready?
Drained it. I can't believe you hit it right here. High five.
I really did it?
Yeah. Whoa.
1 in 13.
Yeah.
Did I not make it?
No.
Oh! How do they do it? I don't know. They're that good. Alright, so this is kind of where we're ending our day here in Sri Lanka at the Bluefield Tea Factory, the oldest tea factory in Sri Lanka. So come check it out if you're in the area. It's amazing, and I'm so excited to go home and try all the flavored tea. Let's go.